Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Today, we'll take a closer look at how the traditional chat journey compares to the AI-powered chat journey, stage by stage. In the traditional setup, customers often face longer wait times, repetitive manual processes, and limited personalization. But with AI, every step, from customer entry to post-interaction analytics, is enhanced by automation, intelligence, and real-time insights. As we move through each stage, we'll highlight how AI delivers speed, scalability, consistency, personalization, and predictive capabilities, ultimately boosting customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. Let's start with the very first stage of the customer journey, the customer entry point. In a traditional contact center, here's what typically happens. A customer opens a chat window, types a query, and waits. The system routes them manually to the next available agent, often with no context, no personalization, and sometimes long wait times. The result? A slow, generic experience that can frustrate customers right from the start. Now, contrast this with an AI-powered approach. The moment the customer initiates a chat, AI instantly analyzes keywords, intent, and historical interactions. It recognizes the customer by name, understands their context, and even predicts why they're reaching out. For example, "Hi Priya, looks like you're checking order number 12345. Do you need delivery details?" This proactive engagement eliminates unnecessary waiting, delivers a personalized experience, and sets the tone for faster resolutions. The key benefit? AI transforms the first impression, making the interaction faster, more intuitive, and far less frustrating for the customer. Next, let's look at queue and wait management, a critical stage that often defines the customer experience. In a traditional setup, customers are placed in a static queue. They may see a message like, "You are number 7 in the queue." There is no visibility on actual wait times, no prioritization, and definitely no alternate options. Long waiting times often lead to frustration, high abandonment rates, and a negative customer experience. Now, here's where AI completely changes the game. Instead of a simple queue, AI predicts wait times in real time. If the wait is expected to be long, it offers customers a callback option or even attempts to resolve simple issues through a bot without making them wait for an agent. Even better, AI can prioritize VIP or urgent cases, ensuring that high-value or sensitive customers receive immediate attention. The outcome? Lower abandonment rates, faster resolutions, and happier customers who feel valued and in control of the experience. Now, let's move to the bot assistance and containment stage, one of the biggest areas where AI delivers immediate value. Traditionally, chatbots were basic, rule-based systems. They relied on simple yes-no flows or keyword triggers, offering limited answers to FAQs like store timings or return policies. Anything beyond these simple questions would quickly escalate to a human agent, creating unnecessary workload and slowing down the resolution process. But with AI-powered, NLP-driven bots, the experience transforms completely. These bots understand natural language, context, and intent, allowing them to handle 30 to 50% of customer queries, such as order tracking, password resets, or balance checks, without ever involving a human agent. And here's the best part: when a query becomes complex, the escalation to a human agent is seamless, with the full chat history passed along, so the customer never has to repeat themselves. The result? Higher containment rates, reduced agent workload, and truly 24/7 support, giving customers instant help whenever they need it. Next, let's talk about routing and agent allocation, a stage that directly impacts resolution speed and customer satisfaction. In the traditional model, routing is either manual or based on simple skill tags like language or department. For instance, a customer speaking Spanish might be routed to the Spanish-speaking team. While this works at a basic level, it completely ignores factors like customer intent, sentiment, workload distribution, or agent expertise, which often leads to mismatched assignments and longer resolution times. Now, AI-powered smart routing takes a far more intelligent approach. It doesn't just consider language or department. It analyzes intent, emotional tone, past interaction history, current agent workloads, and even performance metrics to assign the right case to the right agent at the right time. The result? Higher first contact resolution rates, faster problem solving, and an overall smoother customer experience. Now, let's focus on the heart of the interaction, the active conversation stage. In the traditional setup, agents type out every response manually. They search the knowledge base for information, often juggling multiple screens or systems. This slows down response times and sometimes leads to inconsistent tones or incomplete answers, especially during high-volume periods. With AI-powered tools, this entire experience transforms. AI provides suggested replies in real time, drafting answers based on context and historical conversations. It runs sentiment analysis as the chat unfolds, flagging moments like customer frustrated so agents can adjust their tone immediately. And for global businesses, AI enables instant auto-translation of multilingual chats, breaking language barriers and ensuring smooth communication anywhere in the world. The benefits are clear: faster handling times, lower average handle time, AHT, consistent tone across conversations, and true global coverage for customers. Next, let's look at the resolution and wrap-up stage, one that often gets overlooked but directly impacts agent productivity. In the traditional approach, once the conversation ends, agents spend several minutes manually tagging case categories, summarizing the entire chat, and updating the CRM system. This after-chat work, also called ACW, may seem small on a per-chat basis, but across hundreds of interactions per day, it becomes a significant productivity drain. Now, with AI-powered automation, this process becomes seamless. AI can auto-tag conversations, generate accurate summaries, and log all details directly into the CRM, all in seconds, not minutes. The impact is massive. After-chat work time is reduced by 30 to 50%, freeing up agents to handle more conversations, improve responsiveness, and focus on higher-value tasks instead of repetitive admin work. Finally, let's talk about post-interaction insights, the stage where data turns into real business value. In the traditional model, post-chat analysis often relies on manual QA audits of small sample sizes and generic CSAT surveys sent to customers. This limited approach misses critical insights, leaving leaders with only a partial view of customer experience and agent performance. With AI-powered analytics, the game changes completely. AI can analyze 100% of chats for compliance, tone, sentiment, and accuracy, not just a handful. It can even predict churn risk by identifying dissatisfied customers early or flag upsell opportunities where customers show buying intent. On top of that, AI enables personalized, context-aware surveys so customers are asked the right questions at the right time, increasing response rates and feedback quality. The result? Deeper insights, powerful predictive analytics, improved coaching, and stronger customer loyalty, all driven by data, not guesswork. Let's wrap up with the key benefits of AI over traditional approaches in the chat journey. First, speed and efficiency. AI delivers faster handling, reduced wait times, and shorter wrap-up processes, ensuring customers get quick resolutions. Second, scalability. AI can effortlessly handle sudden spikes in chat volumes with automation, bots, and concurrent interactions, something traditional systems simply cannot manage at scale. Third, consistency. Every chat benefits from standardized responses, real-time compliance checks, and a consistent tone, removing human variability. Fourth, cost optimization. By automating repetitive tasks, AI reduces the cost per interaction, allowing businesses to achieve more with fewer agents. Fifth, personalization. AI leverages context and history to offer truly customized experiences, turning standard interactions into meaningful conversations. Sixth, customer satisfaction. Faster response times, proactive engagement, and better personalization drive higher CSAT scores and lower abandonment rates. And finally, business value. Predictive analytics help forecast churn, identify upsell opportunities, and even optimize workforce planning, making AI not just a service enhancer, but a strategic business asset. Together, these benefits showcase how AI transforms the contact center from a cost center into a value driver for the organization. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.